benefits of tamarind have been well studied and include the ability to reduce inflammation throughout the body, improve eye health, boost respiratory health, heal skin conditions, improve the digestive system, relieve pain, increase the strength of the immune system, reduce fever, lower cholesterol to improve cardiovascular health, treat piles, prevent cancer, and even protect children against parasites and worms. Tamarind have cooling effect. Number one, this imparts a cooling effect to your body temperature, hence the drink to be consumed to cure sunstrokes in the tropical regions. Tamarind and skin benefits. Number one, tamarind juice is excellent for the health of your skin. To treat burns and prevent edema, apply the juice to maintain glowing and healthy skin. This can also reduce or remove common acne or chicken pox scares from the face and other parts of the body. Tamarind juice has enzymes, fiber, vitamin B, vitamin C, and alpha hydroxyl acids and remove dead skin cells. Stay healthy. Tamarind and heart health. Number one, this juice has the power to prevent the oxidation process of cholesterol, which can stop cholesterol walls of your arteries and blocking them. This will lower the risk of coronary heart disease and high cholesterol level. Tamarind and obesity. Number one, many people with obesity need to lose weight to maintain their body weight. Tamarind juice can be very beneficial in such cases of weight loss and for treating obesity. Eat and see results. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Brain and stomach health. Number one, use of tamarind juice treats inflammatory bowel diseases, Crohn's, such as ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. Tamarind pulp juice helps to keep stomach ulcers and stomach acids at bay. Number two, mix this with honey, milk, lemon, and dates to help digestion. They are rich source of fiber and regulates bowel movements and cures constipation, intestinal worms, and parasites in children. This is great natural way to cure diarrhea and dysentery and lower inflammation caused due to hemorrhoids. Tamarind as antioxidants. Number one, tamarind juice is a very rich source of antioxidant that protects your body from hazardous free radicals. Tamarind helps manage diabetes. Number one, the tart and tasty tamarind can help monitor and manage blood sugar fluctuations. Number two, this is because this fruit helps inhibit the enzymes alpha amylase, which aids weight loss, shows down carbohydrate absorption, which otherwise can lead to the formation of simple sugars or fats and can increase the insulin levels. Tamarind boosts the immune system. Number one, as mentioned earlier, tamarind has a high content of vitamin C, which along with other antioxidants helps guard your cells and organs from foreign body invasion, protecting you from several diseases. 19. Additionally, tamarind has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antiviral, antiseptic, and antipyretic properties and aid in boosting your immune system. Tamarind gives strength for immune system. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Aids proper blood circulation. Number one, tamarind being a good source of iron aids proper blood circulation in our body. Number two, a serving of this tasty pulp provides around 10% of the daily recommended portion of iron, which is responsible for increasing the red blood cell RBC in our blood. This in turn ensures proper oxygen supply to every cell and organ. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Improves nerve function. Number one, we have been using natural ingredients for a better cognitive function since ages. Remember that almond or glass of milk, your mom instead. You have a new addition to the list of nervous system boosting ingredients is our beloved tamarind. Number two, this amazing fruit is particularly high in thiamine, vitamin B6, which is responsible for improving our nerve function and memory. So don't forget to include tamarind in your diet. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Tamarind cures mouth ulcers. Number one, canker, sores or mouth ulcers, the annoying Little spots under our lips and on our mouth can be cured with the help of tamarind. This fruit has a cooling effect and can easily calm the burning sensation caused by these little boils. Number 2, for the best results, use a concoction made of tamarind pulp and a mix of crushed herbs such as coriander and mint. Have this medicine twice every day and faster recovery. Tamarind promotes digestive health. Number 1, all the spices that reside on your kitchen rack exist in bettering your digestive system, and tamarind is no different. Number 2, the abundant fiber in this fruit bulks up the stool, making it smoothly pass through the stomach and intestine. So the bilious effects of this fruit keeps our liver, colons and other digestive organs healthy. So make it a point to have tamarind daily for improved digestion. Eat healthy, stay healthy. This pulpy and rich fruit is full of essential minerals, dairy, fiber and vitamin C. And vitamin C, all of which help in the purification of blood. As mentioned earlier, the antioxidants present in tamarinds actively scavenge the free radicals, thus oxidizing and purifying your blood. Hence, including tamarind in daily meals is extremely beneficial. Tamarind provides cardiovascular health. Number 1, there are several reasons. Tamarind are the best of our heart. Number 2, tamarind is very effective in controlling cholesterol levels. It does this by lowering LDL, the bad cholesterol, and promoting HDL, the good cholesterol, with the help of the antioxidant and phenols. 14. It also exhibits vasodilatory effects due to the high potassium content in the fruit. This keeps your blood pressure under control. All these factors help lessen the stress on the cardiovascular system. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Tamarind works as a cleansing agent. Number 1, tamarind is an amazing cleansing agent. This is due to the fact that its pulp is full of antibacterial, antiviral as well as anti-inflammatory properties. These help in getting rid of stubborn bacteria and virus from our body. Number 2, tamarind when mixed with other solutions work well of cleansing the eyes, cleansing out toxic deposits in the kidney and relieving stomach worms. Such solutions can also relieve a sore throat. Number 3, it is especially beneficial in the treatment of dry eyes due to the presence of chemical similar to mucin, a chemical that helps protect and well the cornea surface. Tamarind treats piles. Number 1, piles are synonymous with a truckload of pain. Being able to move and sit free is most definitely a curse. Thankfully, we have a natural solution to deal with this painful problem. Tamarind juice extracted from its flowers is used in the treatment of piles. Both internal and external 13 have this medicinal concoction to treat piles. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Tamarind is naturally skin moisturizing and toning properties. Number 1, patchy, scaly skin, fine lines, cords and dull skin, cold sores, skin tightness. All these issues are on my winter skin boys list. Those with forever dry skin will most definitely relate to me. 1, a bowl of boiled and cooled tamarind water can be used as a natural skin toning and moisturizing agent. 2, who knew a small bean can do so much to restore the moisture. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Tamarind is natural anti-aging agent. Number 1, who doesn't want their skin to remain ageless forever? The sole reason why anti-aging products are such a hit. Number 2, in my opinion, going natural is always the best solution for skin. Boys. Number 3, tamarind is packed with various acids, antioxidants, fiber and vitamins that combat the free radicals that cause premature aging. Number 4, use this tamarind and semolina pack on a regular basis to give your skin a radiant and youthful look. Tamarind removes dark patches around the neck. Number 1, dark patches on the neck are more common in men as compared to men. While many of us resort to bleaching agents as instant solutions, here is one natural ingredient that could have long-lasting effects. Yes, tamarind is an absolute all-rounder. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Tamarind eliminates pigmentation. Number 1, packed with AHA treatment is an established anti-blemish agent. It is also known to act as a natural remedy for pigmentation. Number 2, just apply freshly prepared tamarind juice on your clean face twice a week to erase the blemishes and pigmentation and reveal clear skin. Tamarind cures acne. Number 1, acne is like that clingy cousin who just doesn't leave you alone. Number 2, while getting away from her might be difficult, but getting rid of acne and acne scares is at least not anymore. Number 3, tamarind is here to save the day and face. Number 4, the vitamin. We all invite those models in the hair product commercials for their long and lustrous hair, don't we? Number 1, while I wouldn't recommend you trust those ads, you can always trust natural and homemade products. Read on to know how you can use tamarind for your hair. Number 2, tamarind helps treat oily and greasy scalp. Number 1, oily scalp is the cause of a number of hair disorders, including dandruff and hair loss. Controlling the sebum production in the scalp is one of the best solutions to get flaunt-worthy hair. Number 2, trust tamarind pulp to do that for you. Number 3, use the following pack to get rid of the greasiness from your scalp within no time. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Tamarind works as an antiseptic. Number 1, cuts, bruises, burns. These are the staple. If you are a kitchen glutton like me, that is why my mom likes to stock up on a few kitchen ingredients apart from regular Bernoullis to be ready for any future mission. Number 2, tamarind is one of her trusted antiseptic solutions. Number 3, this tart fruit is known to have medical properties that heal wounds and prevent infection from spreading in the body. It has strong antimicrobial properties due to the presence of tannins, terpenoids, and citric acids. Tamarind aids weight loss. Number 1, tamarind can help you lose a few pounds. Number 2, don't believe me? Well, here is good news for you. Number 3, tamarind contains a unique compound, hydroxycitric acid (HCA), which is connected to weight loss. For this compound helps inhibit an enzyme in our system that aids the storage of fat. Additionally, having tamarind suppresses your appetite for a longer period, specifically by increasing the secretion of serotonin, a neurotransmitter. Eat healthy, stay healthy. The 9 months of pregnancy are not easy for woundly moms. They undergo all kinds of physical, behavioral, and physiological changes, and one top of all that are the number of diet and nutrition suggestions from family and friends. Tamarind treats bilious disorders. Including tamarind in your diet. Number 1, including tamarind in your diet is an effective way to cure bilious disorders. Number 2, these disorders are basically the result of irregular and uncontrolled bile production in the liver that lead to an upset stomach and fever. Number 3, tamarind, being a bilious substance, helps in the proper stimulation of bile production. Number 5, this in turn can help dissolve food faster as well as regulate gastric juices. All these processes lead to improved digestion. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Tamarind controls cholesterol levels. Number 1, high cholesterol level has become one of the most common disorders. In people between the age of 25 to 50, you will find many younger people at the borderline risk zone. Blame it on bad lifestyle and food choices all you want, but zero trans fat food products are not the only solution available. Trust Mother Nature to provide us with something super affordable and healthy in the form of the tasty tamarind. Tamarind cures malaria. Number 1, this one fruit is known to be antiviral and antipyretics. Having a small piece of tamarind twice a day can help keep malaria fever under control. Eat healthy. Tamarind prevents cancer. Number 1, cancer is a scary disease. Treating cancer is a lengthy and painful process. However, we can try and prevent this fatal disease. Number 2, this is where tamarind comes into play. This juice fruit is a good source of antioxidants. These help in curbing the growth of cancerous cells in the body by preventing the formation of free radicals. The harmful radicals, you can call them the Trojan virus in our body, cause major dysfunction. Tamarind treats constipation. Number 1, constipation is quite common and can happen to anyone, young or old, healthy or sick. It is annoying and it makes you feel irritated, bloated, and stuffed at the same time. Number 2, while the churnas in the market, nothing can beat a home remedy with natural ingredients. Number 3, tamarind pulp is used as a mild laxative. A few spoonfuls of the pulp can improve bowel movements considerably. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Tamarind lightens your skin. Prolonged exposure to the sun as well as dust and pollution takes a toll on your skin, on our skin. Dull and dry skin check, tanning check, uneven complexion check, clogged pores check, name any skin problem, and it can rest back to the sun. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Tamarind is a delicious sweet fruit that has a wide variety of uses and applications both for medical and culinary purposes. It is medium-sized bushy tree with evergreen leaves and fruit that develops in pods characterized by long brown shells. Inside is a sticky, fleshy, juicy pulp, which is the tamarind fruit. This is where the nutrition and taste reside. It is both sweet and sour in taste, and people tend to either immediately like it or have a natural disposition against it. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.